Hey YouTube, and welcome to Silent Code Dev. So welcome to day 8 of becoming a front-end developer from zero. And as you guys can tell, I have worked the entire day. Okay, maybe you don't know. If this is your first time watching this video, I'm basically doing a series, or I'm basically uploading every single day, where I'm going to be doing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I'm just going to work my way towards becoming a front-end developer. So right now I'm in the middle. This is like day 8, so I'm in the middle of creating a project or working on a project. So you can look at the previous videos that I've made if you're interested. But as you guys know, I don't care who's watching. I don't care if anyone's watching. I'm doing this for myself, and if you want to become a front-end developer, you should do it for yourself as well. Right? This shit is not easy, guys. Like especially when you are, when you're older, right? Trying to get into a new career is like, you got to sacrifice a lot. I just came home from 2 jobs. Like, I worked from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. And I just came home. I ate a bit, and now I'm going to grind a bit of HTML, right? So the days when I have days off, like when I have like a bit time, because I don't work like this all the time, right? It's just now this week is hectic. And so these days are actually the most important days for me, because if I miss a day, it's over. So yeah, guys, let's continue, right? So I'm a bit tired. So if you see that I'm a bit tired, you understand why. So yeah, we did this thing. We actually did a lot of stuff. Of course, there's some minor things we need to fix on, like this. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna push the updates that we had before. I removed some stuff, so I'm just gonna say git commit expansion of it's just an expansion that I did. And yeah, git commit implemented hamburger. Git commit expanded work. And yeah, guys, I don't know. Sometimes I don't know like what to write, because I just updated it, right? It's just like to save every single day. So that's basically what I do. So all right, so let us continue. So yeah, I'm gonna look at this later. Right now and then we have already done this. Now we're gonna do this, right? As you guys can see, something looks off. So let's look at the design. So yeah, obviously it should be in the center, and it should have a way bigger like height here. So I don't know if I'm gonna give it a fixed height. I probably should do that, because I don't have to do that. I just have to look at, because here 84 and 80. So we're just gonna say 80, right? So what we can do is that we can go here and we can like go to the index. So this is gonna be the design mind, but find your perfect home or preferred home. So yeah, perfect home here. So that's gonna be, this is gonna be the entire thing here, right? And we're gonna add yeah, I think I have a name for it in the here. Then we just gonna grab this, Yeah, so padding is gonna be, I use RAM I think on the mobile, but we're gonna do 82 pixels top bottom, and then we're gonna do 0 pixels like that. So we have a bit of space, and I don't know why things are not aligned center here. I mean, I know that I'm doing stuff. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna end up repeating ourselves, right? I don't want to be perfect. I mean, I want to be as perfect as possible, but sometimes I know what I've done, and I'm like, so yeah. So everything here is perfect. What we gotta do is that we gotta target the p tag, because the p tag needs to like separate these things, which is like 24. Yeah, 24. So we're gonna do that. So padding 24 pixels, 0 pixels, and per margin. Yeah. And yeah, guys, sometimes like I look at other people and I'm like, I get, or should we add like margin? No, margin is the space outside. So yeah, so this looks quite good, but the text here doesn't look so good. So this is a PT. Yeah, this should be like 24 pixels for font. Yeah, guys, like the front end space is so weird, because I've seen like very talented developers like struggling for years to get a job, right? While others are like for example, I went to a front end school, and there's a lot of people there that got jobs, you know, from simply just applying. And that's the thing, guys. That's why I believe I have a shot, because of course it's gonna be hard, but you actually have a shot. Like if you're trying to become a developer, there's a chance that you can get one, you know. I mean, of course you have to be lucky and stuff, right? Because you're not just gonna get a job like that, but you can get, like, if you really apply, you just go crazy, there's no doubt that you're gonna end up getting something, you know. Like you're gonna end up getting something. And that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, don't underestimate, just because someone is more talented than you and stuff, don't let that like stop you from applying, you know. Because a lot of this is like, yeah, we have to fix the width of this. This is insane. But a lot of this is like, you know, you have to, it's a lot of things. It's a combination. It's not just like if you're a good developer, right? But you need to be able to have soft skills, and yeah, just opportunities, right? Know the right people, get into it. Maybe you start as front end, you do something else. And so I told you guys, 2026, I'm just gonna give it a try, where I'm gonna develop myself and see how far I get. And if nothing happens, I'm gonna try something else, right? Because I can't be spending my time like doing front end all the time, and you know, when I want to get a job, like, we gotta live our lives too, right? So of course nobody promised you anything, right? It's not about that. It's just more like, for your own sake, right? Like, you're trying to get a job. So we're gonna add like a max width, and 1392, I think, 2 pixels. So, and we have to like margin, we have to edit that as well. So that looks a little bit better. And also we're gonna do this text here, and for that I have done something interesting. Let me see. Because you guys can see we have like image, Is it that? Let me see. Double check. Yeah, okay. So how do I do it on the... Huh? Did I forget? I think I forgot. Or let's see. Mobile doesn't have any text. Okay, but it has text here, right? So I think here we can use pseudo element, right, for each image. So let's try it out. But we need to give them each a class because we have different text, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna target... Oh my god. So yeah, but yeah, guys, that's the thing, right? Like you gotta know how to talk to people to get jobs, and it's like it's quite annoying. Okay, so dumbbell M, chairs M. Are we gonna say spacious M and amenities M and doorstep M and lifestyle M. Lifestyle M. So I'm just gonna copy this. I'm lazy, guys. This is laziness. And we're gonna go here. Of course, I need to get the text, so we're gonna... This is not the hero section. It's this one. And you guys can see like how I'm lean. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm lean like this. So when you do like coding, you want to have your back like straight. So let's see if I remember. So first one was amenities. Oh my god, my keyboard. Anemone. Okay, I don't remember. That's why I did this copy pasting thing. Oh, okay. My keyboard is like literally screwing me up, so I'm gonna do like this. Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this. 2, 3, 4. You might be looking at this and be like, what the F are you doing? What the L are you doing? Okay, so maybe I should have tested with 1, but I'm like, yeah, whatever. So, and we're gonna do pseudo element. We're gonna say after, and we're gonna test, right? So we're gonna do content tests. So where is that gonna appear? Position. So we need to see if that's actually... Imagine if it doesn't appear. What am I gonna do then? Then I have to do another trade. Okay, because it's... Okay, we have it here, but... Oh. Where the hell did it go? Like if I go to main and we go to the hero, here it is. We have an after and it's just gone. So background color red. Yeah, it's literally not showing up. So seems like my idea didn't work out. So we are gonna have to use like actual, like I have an idea. We're just gonna have like h2 text because I think it's h2, right? Yeah, h2. And so yeah, we're just gonna do copy pasting, right, to make this. Let's just make it quicker. Let's see. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna say best for this one, and then that's for that one, and then yeah. But yeah, guys, I mean, at least I tried, right? And that's why I'm doing these videos, because if you're like watching my video and you're like, why are you doing this? That is the reason, right? And I'm gonna have a lot of people look at me and be like, yeah, what are you doing, dude? Like, you're wasting your time. This is how you learn. And I know, like, if I stay consistent, I'm gonna progress, right? Even if it's slow, but there's a progression. Like, it's gonna happen either way. Because I will make a lot of mistakes and I'll learn from them, you know what I mean? So we're gonna target all these H2s by first knocking them out the regular document flow by doing position absolute, and it's going to be relative to we need to, I made a mistake, so h2, and then this is going to be relative. Look at that. Now we need to position them, so we can say like bottom 0, left 0. But the problem is that we have to individually move them to each. So that is the thing. Like each one needs to be, so that's the thing. Unless I can like push them or something, you know what I mean? Like I can give them a margin so they all, but I don't know about the margin. I don't know, 40 pixels. Yeah, they're all gonna move. Or if I do like just for fun. Yeah. So yeah, I was just like, but that's not gonna work. But we can do like nth child or something, right? One moment, guys. I think I have like something here. Exist. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to use nth child, right? So we're gonna do the first child. Do I really have to do this? Yeah, we need to. Okay, so one. Okay, so that one is missing. First. Yeah, but why is it not like okay, let me see. Maybe I need to like put them in a container or something. Oh, what am I doing, dude? Yeah. I feel like I know what to do, but I'm like thinking about the easiest way because I'm thinking of like grouping them together because now they're kind of like floating, right? So I need these. They're kind of floating, but I'm like, okay, what if I target it directly? So what if I just do yeah, I mean now it's gone. And but I want to position it like top 0. So yeah, I don't know where it's at. I think it's like, what if I do it to, because this is like positioning it to this image, but what if I put them in a div? Is that gonna help? Because then it's like, okay, because then it's like in a box, right? It's like not attached to the image. There we go. Okay, so that worked. That works. Okay, so that's what we gotta do, guys. We gotta wrap them in a container. So it's gonna be a little bit of work when it comes to like, let's just do this. So we're gonna call this spacious container, spacious img, and we need to have like that. And yeah, let's copy this. Oh, of course. This is gonna be doorstep, and yeah, we have 4, right? 1, 2, 3. Fuck. Did I forget something? 1. All right. 2, 3. What? I see that, but I don't see this spacious. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. I see what I did there. I forgot this. How? Okay. So this is gonna be lifestyle. Okay, so we have something for that one. We don't. Oh man. Now we should be good. And all we gotta do, guys, is just like copy this and she's I might have misspelled it or something. That's why is it not working? Oh, I haven't given it a class. Spacious text. There we go. Look at that, baby. And lifestyle. Okay, guys. So that looks kind of right. I haven't created the CSS for those. So what, instead of repeating ourselves, we're just gonna like put them together like this. And this is gonna be spacious, and then you have like door step, and then you have lifestyle like so. And all we gotta do is like just copy this and replace container with text. Look at that, guys. Wow. So that's how pros do it, right? Instead of like making a lot just like that, because they're the same. They're absolutely the same. And we're gonna do border bottom. Okay, so this is gonna be like, and also they have a kind of like a width, but this is gonna be 10 pixel. Wow. Okay, with 21. I'm just gonna say like, yeah, so 10 pixels solid var apple, and margin top 20 pixels padding, sorry. But maybe I can use display flex 20 pixels. Yeah, so I can't move the padding. Oh, there we go. It's the bottom. It's the bottom. So I could have actually done margin too. Let's just keep it like that. And of course, the width of this. So I assume the width is the same. So width is 129 pixels. So that looks right. But we need to do font size 9.5 RAM. And that looks right. So we need to just position it bottom 0. Okay, so bottom is like 40 pixels, 40. So 40 pixels, and then right 40 pixels. Look at that, guys. That looks that's spot on right there. And then the image looks to have, I don't know, it makes sense to have a little bit of opacity on the images, right? Because the images are a bit light, and when I'm thinking about the text, I'm like, yeah, this is good because this is dark, but the other ones are hard to read. So black percent can omit that. Yeah, guys, I mean, this is what we do, right? This is what we've got. And I don't know about the... Yeah, we need to hide the... not the container, but the text. Right, so we can just go here and we can like... display no, but that's not the... this is on mobile though, right? Because why is it being applied to the desktop? Okay, we're seeing desktop. Okay, all right. So when we go to mobile, we have like... wait, what? It's still showing? Why is you showing? Why are you hiding? Oh, it's just the H. No, okay. But I wanna hide the entire like container. No, I don't. Yeah, we just want to remove the H2, right? Display block, display hide. None. Oh my god, why is it not working? Or maybe it's the width is not like small enough. There we go. Yeah, so it wasn't small enough, guys. So yeah. And also the text here is not like scaling. So I want it to scale. So what we're gonna do, so max is gonna be 24. I don't know, 12. Let's see if that does anything. I mean, it makes it more responsive because it's not like, obviously the biggest size is gonna be the correct size, right? But when we shrink down, you guys can see it's like, I don't like that. Ooh. Okay. Again, guys, I'm not so happy with the design. It looks kind of like shit, but it is what it is, right? Okay. So now we need to do this. So this is also the same. The same shit. So you guys, I'm really starting to get tired, so it's gonna be small, but you know, I'm trying to show up every day, and it's not gonna be. Some days it's just like that, sadly. So we're gonna do margin. I think I used padding on the other one, but we'll see here. So margin, 80 pixels, 0 pixels. I can't see the like image. I mean, not the image, but like the background color. I feel like the background color is like Like it's targeting all that, and I don't want to do that. Yeah, so I don't know, guys. Like we have a class with background color, and I don't know where this is coming from, man. Seriously. I mean, we have given it a class. Maybe we are like forgetting to close. Okay, so we only wanted to go here. What? It should only be on design mind, so we need to move this shit. Like here. There we go, baby. Oh. Finally. Yeah, we gotta do the same here. So yeah, guys, that's it. I just wanted to show up. It's almost like I just gotta go to bed, man. I'm so tired. We're getting close. Of course, there's small things I'm gonna fix. Obviously, I just wanna finish on doing like. But yeah, again, guys, I don't know. Something feels off with this website, but it's practice, right? We are practicing. It's too big. It's too big, but we'll see. We still got time. I feel like this could be like on 2 columns or something like that. But yeah, guys, day 8. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you see this, please let me know by liking the video. Like, just give it a thumbs up, because that way I know that someone has watched this. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for watching, and it's actually fun. But like I said, when I have a lot of work, I mean, it's still fun, but I just don't have the energy because I have to get up again at 6 a.m., which is like, so I see you guys soon. Peace out.